Hello children. So, today we are going to discuss the first chapter of our mathematics, 4th class mathematics. What is the first chapter name? Numbers and numeration. Numbers and numeration is our first chapter name. So numbers, we have completed third class. In our third class we learned so many numbers. So in third class we learned numbers up to 4 digits. Okay, once we have to rewind them. So that's why in our textbook in page number 5 there is an exercise on rewind the numbers. So open the textbooks and try to answer the questions which are in the textbook page number 5. So it is about the rewinding of numbers which we learnt in the previous year. So first one number is given, first bit. What is the first bit given? Write the numbers for given number names. Write the numerals for the given number names. So first number is A. What is A given? 3000. 411. So it is the number given in first one. 3411. We have to write the numeral for that. Numeral means number we have to write. We know 3411. 3 in thousand place. Next 411. You have to write like this. 3411. Next second B is given. What is B? 4000. 800. 4819 is the second one given. 4819. So first 4 in thousand place, 8 in hundreds place, and 19. How can we write? 9. So 4819. Okay, it is the second number. In this way, in fifth page, first bit, number names are given. You have to write the numerals for that. So C, what is C given? 8521. 8000. So 8 in thousands place, 8500, 500 and 21. How can we write 21? This is 21. Okay, like this we have to complete the first bit, write the numerals for the given number. Next second bit. What is second bit? Write the number names. Write the number names. Number names we have to write. The first one is in second bit. First one. What is the first one? 7168. This number is given. First we have to read it. How we can read it? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. So 7168 is the number given. So we have to write the number names for that. The first one is 7000. So 7000. What is the spelling of thousand? THOUSAND. 7000. It is a hundred place. So how many hundred? 1. So 100. 100. It is in tens place. 6 means 60. So 68. Okay, it is the number name for first one. In this way, you have to write the number names for all the numbers which are given in the second bit. So, for example, B is given. What is B? 2, 5, 3, 9. So, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. So, how many thousands are there? 2. So, what we can write? 2000, 2500, 39. Okay, 2539. Like this, another number is given 4415, 4450. Next, 5362. What is that? 5362. Like this, you have to write the number names for second bit. And the next one is write the place value of the color digit. So we want to discuss about the place values. Third bit, what is the A given? 3, 2, 2, 1. 3221. It is the number given, and 3 is colored. What is the place value of 3? First, you have to write. You have to count from left, right side. Okay. First, it is ones place, and next tens, and hundreds, and thousands place. So 3 is in which place? Thousands place. That's why the place value of 3 is 3000. Okay. If it is in hundreds place, 300. If it is in tens place, 30. If it is in ones place, 3 you have to write. Okay. In this B, what is B in the third bit? 4256. So 2 is colored here. What is the place value of 2 here? First you have to count the ones digit, tens and hundreds. So 2 is in the hundred place. Which place it is? Hundreds place. That's why its place value is how much? 200. And next digit C, 3109. Okay, 9 is colored here. So what is the place value of 9? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. So 9 is in ones place. So its place value is 9. Okay, like this, we have to write the place values for all the bits. So in this D, what is the D? 4256. 4256. So already given here 9673. It is the number given, and 3 is colored. 3 is in which place? Ones place. So that's why its value is what? 3 ohm. Next E, 4150. The 5 is colored here. What we can say? 0 is in ones place, and 5 is in tens place, 1 is in hundred place, 4 is in thousands place. So 5 is in a tens place. That's why its place value is what? 50. Next F. What is F? 4, 8, 7, 8. Okay. Here this 8 is colored. This 8 is colored. So what is the place value of this 8? Count from this. Ones, tens, and hundreds. So this 8 is in hundreds place. So what we can write? 8 is in hundreds place. That's why its place value is 800. Okay. In this way, we have to write the place values for the given 4-digit numbers in the last book. Okay, you complete page number 5. What are the first one? Number names are given. You have to write the numbers. Second one, what given? Numbers, numerals are given. Then you have to write the number names. And in the third bit, place values you have to complete. These are the three we can write from the previous class which we have completed. So in previous third class we learnt up to 4-digit numbers. What are 4-digit numbers? From 1000 to 9999. These numbers are called 4-digit numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the 4-digit numbers are from 1000 to 9999. What is the smallest 4-digit number? What is the smallest 4-digit number? This is the smallest 4-digit number, 1000. 1000 is the smallest 4-digit number. Next, what is the largest 4-digit number? What is the biggest 4-digit number? Means what you can say 9999. It is the biggest, largest 4-digit number. So, 1-digit numbers first. 1-digit numbers are from 1 to 9 or 0 to 9. Next, 2-digit numbers from 10 to 99. And 3-digit numbers from 100 to 999. Okay, what is the smallest 2-digit number? These are 2-digit numbers. Smallest 2-digit number is 10 and largest 2-digit number is 99. Smallest 3-digit number 100 and largest 3-digit number is 999. Smallest 4-digit number 1000 and the largest 4-digit number is 9999. So add 1 to this number. You know additions already. So 9999 plus 1 you have to add. What you will get? What will you get? 9 plus 1. If 1 is added to 9 and 1 added, then you will get how much? 10. So 10 means what we have to write? 0 and 1 you should carry. Okay, 1 plus 9. Again what? 10. So write 0 and carry 1 here. 1 plus 9. Again what? 10 and carry 1 here. Again 1 plus 9. How much? 10. So if you add 1 to this number, 1 to which number? Largest 4-digit number 9999 is added to 1. Then we get which number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A 5-digit number we get. We got a 5-digit number. This 5-digit number is called 10,000. So the smallest 5-digit number is what? 10,000. 10,000. So ones, tens, hundreds. After hundreds, you have to write a comma. 10,000s. What is 10,000? 10,000 is the smallest 5-digit number. Okay. How we can get this? First, largest 1-digit number is 9. If we add 1 to this, then what we are getting? 10. So largest 1-digit number is added to 1, then you are getting smallest 2-digit number. How much? 10. And what is the largest 2-digit number? 99. If you add 1 to that 99, what you will get? 1 plus 99 means 100. It is the smallest 3-digit number. And largest 3-digit number is what? 999. If you add 1 to that, 999 plus 1. What you will get? 1000. So 1000 is the 4-digit number. Now what is the largest 4-digit number? 9999. If you add 1 to that, what you are getting? The smallest 5-digit number, it is 10,000. Okay, the smallest 5-digit number is how much? 10,000. Okay children, complete the work in the 5th page. We will discuss the remaining class.